What if one free app could replace your sticky notes, your planner, your to-do list, your notes, and your project tracker all in one place? That app exists. It is called Notion. And with Notion AI, it became the most powerful free productivity tool available right now. In this video, I will show you how to set it up from scratch, even if you have never used Notion before. Stay until the end for the one Notion AI feature that saves me at least an hour every week. Notion is a workspace app, a blank canvas where you can build anything. The free plan gives you unlimited pages. Go to notion.so and sign up with your Google account. 30 seconds. And then create a new page. Call it Home Base. This is your personal dashboard, the first thing you see every day. Type a / to open the command menu. Everything you can add is in here. Add a heading 1 and type today's focus. This is where you write your top 3 priorities every morning. Simple, but powerful. Create a new page called My Tasks. Type / and select table. Add 3 columns, status with options to do. In progress, done. Priority with high, medium, low. And due date as a date type. You now have a full task manager. Now the powerful part, highlight any text and click the AI button. See these options? You can type summarize, improve writing, create action items. Watch this. I pasted messy meeting notes. I typed summarize. In 3 seconds, clean key points. Then I typed create action items, and it listed every task I need to do automatically. This alone saves 30 minutes every week. One app, unlimited pages. AI that reads your notes and creates tasks for you. All free. Go to notion.so right now and create your home base. Subscribe for more free AI tool tutorials every week. And see you to our next video.